break it, make it, 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 break it, make it. Compound words. Hi there. Welcome to Make It, Break It. Today we're going to learn about compound words that have to do with the playground. We play on the swing set. Where do we play? The swing set. Let's take a look at the words that make up this compound word. S W I N G. Swing, swing. S E T. Set. Swing, set. Swing, set. Swing set. Look around. Lots of children are riding their skateboards. What are they riding? Skateboards. Let's take a look at the words that make up this compound word. S K A T E. Skate. B O A R D. Board. Skate, board. Skateboard. Very good! Wasn't that fun? ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.